guys, so as you can see in the previous video, I was showing you what I got from American Girl store, and it is the opening and unboxing of Julie Albright. So as you can see, this is what she looks like, and I'm just gonna open her. So at the top, it comes with the Meet Julie book, and it comes with her. She's wearing a hairnet. It's kind of weird. I haven't opened one of these in a while because I got mine when I was like probably 6 or 7 when I got my American Girl doll. So it's been a while. And this is the book she comes with. Let's see if I can take it out. Okay. So here's her book that you can look through. And yes. Okay, so this is her. I'm about to open her now. If I have scissors. So I do. Okay. Now I'm just gonna open her. Okay. How do I open this? I have no idea how to open this. Oh, okay. So it has this rubber band that you have to go through in order to take her out like that. She's wearing a hairnet. Like I said, all you need to do is just cut this rubber band in the back. Okay. And here she is. This is Julie Albright. Now I'm just gonna take off her hairnet because it looks really weird. Ooh, her hair is very pretty. So, this is Julie. Her hair is very long, so now I can style it because my American Girl doll has short hair and I can't really style it. So, I'm just gonna lay her down. I'm just gonna take this tag off. There's some wrapping right there, so I could just take that off too. How do I take this off? Okay. Okay. If I can, I will take it off. Okay. So, like I said, I was looking through this paper, and it says that it comes with the doll. A turtleneck long sleeve shirt, jeans, a blouse, shoes, belt, underwear, and a Meet Julie book. So yeah, this is my new American Girl doll. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.